In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the single crochet stitch. We've already gone over how to make a chain. If you don't know, just go look at the other video. So after you have your chain, you want to skip the chain you just made and into the second chain from the hook. So 1, 2. You're going to insert the hook into that second chain. You're going to yarn over and pull that loop through. Now you have 2 loops on the hook. You're going to yarn over again and pull both loops off of the hook. And that is the single crochet. So in the next chain, you insert the hook, yarn over, bring that yarn through. Now you have 2 loops. Yarn over again. Yarn over again and pull that hook through both those 2 loops. And you just keep doing that. I'm separating the tail from the actual yarn I'm working with. So here's the next chain. You put the hook through the next chain, yarn over, pull the loop through. You've got 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both loops. And so that's just what we continue to do if you're making single stitch. Insert the hook, yarn over once, pull through both loops. Insert, yarn over, pull through, and then pull through both loops. And I can see we've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single crochet stitches. You can kind of see they make this little V shape. Maybe a little hard to tell with this yarn, but that's a single crochet.